At Fertility Specialists of Texas, we meet the many and diverse needs of patients considering treatment for female and male infertility in the Dallas area. With 2 office locations, one in Dallas and a modern state-of-the-art facility and lab in Frisco, Texas. Our staff of medical specialists is led by Dr. Gerald Goldstein.
At Fertility Specialists of Texas, we offer a comprehensive approach to diagnosis and treatment to some of the most resistant cases of infertility. We meet with our patient and discuss the history of both the husband and wife. We then often do an ultrasound and blood work, and then meet back to discuss options. Those options depend on what we find on our initial evaluation.
When choosing a fertility practice, we understand there are many important factors prospective patients need to consider. This is a big decision. You need to feel comfortable and find a skilled doctor with superior success rates and a caring team that is compassionate and sensitive throughout this highly emotional process.
We believe that the emotional aspects are very important, and by offering the mind-body program and related services, that it will help you be able to be more successful in your ultimate goal of having a child.
Everyone was very nice, remembered my name, listened very carefully. Linda was great. She was always there to listen. If I needed to call her to ask a question, it was no problem. And everyone was always very positive.
I would say Fertility Specialists of Dallas are wonderful people. The girls are really nice in the office. They help out a lot. They're very understanding of your journey and your story. So I think that they do the ups and downs with you.
We have a modern state-of-the-art laboratory with the newest and most advanced equipment for the production of healthy embryos.
In our newly constructed facility, we have 3 labs in one, going from endocrinology, andrology, and embryology. This facilitates us and makes us very fortunate to be able to run time-sensitive information, such as hormones, for our fertility treatment.
The embryology lab, where embryos are produced, grown, and nourished, is a key component of a fertility practice. Having this world-class laboratory on-site is what sets Fertility Specialists of Texas apart. Infertility is stressful enough without the added concern of the cost of treatment. Our financial counselor will research your benefits if you have insurance and offer several affordable payment options if you don't have insurance. Our goal is to do everything possible to assure that the cost of treatment does not become a factor in your decision. When choosing a fertility practice, it is important to choose a clinic with excellent pregnancy rates and a doctor that you can trust. Dr. Goldstein and his staff are committed to patient care and ensuring that each patient understands their treatment options and process.
Well, I think we tried for, 2 years pretty much, yeah, about 2 years, unsuccessfully, and I'm in the medical field, I'm a physician, and so after trying for that same amount of time, I pretty much called all the OB-GYNs I knew and said, who would you go to? Exactly. I trust other physicians, and they gave me a list of names, about 3 names, and then finally when I beat them into a corner, I was like, if your daughter needed a physician, who would she go to? They said, I was Senator Goldstein. I said, decision was made.
Our life has changed in so many ways, having the baby. She is fabulous. From the minute we saw her heartbeat in the office, my husband was over in the corner crying.
Our goal is to help couples achieve pregnancy using the most least invasive way possible.
To find out more about Fertility Specialists of Texas, please visit our website at www.fertilitytexas.com or call 214-618-2044.